Korea Foundation ki sponsor makhada Manipur University ki Department of Foreign Languages na sinduna Numit ini Chathagadaba Suba Indian Educator'S Workshop on Korean Studies 2024 ngasi Manipur University ki court hall da haunabi matung ina Houdokhre. Houdokhpagi thauram aduda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra, Embassy of Republic of Korea in India ki Minister Councillor Min Sun Kim, Education U ki Director Dr. Rangita Bali Waikhom, Manipur University ki Department of Foreign Languages ki Program Director Professor Hyun Kyung Lee amadi Manipur University ki Department of Foreign Languages ki Assistant Professor Dr. A. Romitana maru oiba mitungnen sing oina saruk yakhi. Workshop haudokhpagi thauram aduga mari leinana Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra na hai foreign language asi loan amakhakta oina Longnarambadagi ngasidi NEP 2020 gi matung inna foreign language asi skill component oina laure mahai masing tambagi hiramda skill education da akhanaba mieng thamlakpa asina maram oiraga mahiroi singna foreign language sing asi khangjin haijinbagi tangai fadaba lakle maru oina Korean culture ga lamdam asigi mahai masing nithina hairaba naha singa gi marakta thamoi gi oiba acheppa mari ama leinabagi mamitari amadi Korean culture asi haukhiba matam khara asida India gi awang nokpok state singda popular oibagi chang noma nomagi hengalakli masidagi haudokliba workshop asina university asigi mahiroi singda tongan ba kanaba kaya soidana piba ngamlagani maram asina mahiroi singna workshop asi mapung fana yawbaga loinena ngamlabadi Korea da fawba hakthengna chatpada kanaba kaya fanggani hiram asida Manipur University gi maikaidagi mahiroi singda fangba yaba mateng khudingmak pangnaba hotnagani hainasu mahakna makatana phongdokhi.
I am happy that many of you have come as the educator of the Korean language. I'm sure that all of you must have enjoyed during the last few years. There's a lot of potential in this. And it's not very expensive to visit Korea. It's only say 7 hours flight from Delhi. And you will enjoy seeing places in Seoul and other provinces. I hope that all of you also should start thinking about something big, something making the Korean studies a success in Manipur University as well as in other states in Northeast India. I wish you all the best, and I think it's a 2 days program. So this 2 days program, all of you, I insist that you must take maximum advantage of this 2 days program.